Welcome back, students, for our laboratory number 7 of ELE 3323 electrical machines. Okay, so today's laboratory is all about synchronous motor, variable inductance, capacitance. Okay, so the main objective of this experiment is to observe how synchronous motor can act as a variable inductance capacitance and to obtain the DC current versus AC current characteristic curve for the synchronous motor. Okay, so procedure. Okay, but first I need to remove the timing belt. Okay, so no need for you to use any timing belt. Okay, so make this switch off. Okay, because I used this one in the previous experiment, no, the timing belt. So remove that. Okay, secure everything that no timing belt is being connected. All right. Okay, in this experiment you need a synchronous motor generator. Okay, a 3-phase watt meter, an AC voltmeter, an AC current meter, and a DC and AC voltage power supply. Okay. All right. So connect the circuit in page number 1 of your laboratory manual. Alright, so let's start connecting it. I'm going to use all the wires I needed. Okay, so first, so you'll be needing a power supply from 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so connect. Okay, connect number 1 to a current meter here. Okay, and use the 0.25 ampere. Okay, connect it to a watt meter. All right, then number 2. Okay, connect it to number 2 of the watt meter. Okay, and the number 3, the power supply, connect it to number 3 of the watt meter. Okay, and then connect the number 4 to number 1 of the synchronous motor generator. And the number 4 of the watt meter, or number 5, connect it to the number 2 of the synchronous watt meter. And the number 6, connect it to the number 3 of the synchronous motor generator. Alright? And make sure 4, 5, and 6 are connected together. Okay, just like that. Right? And this 2 connections, 7 and 8, connect it to number 7 and letter N of the DC power supply. So you need a DC from 7, a DC ammeter, no? Okay. Connect it to the. Alright, so I'll connect it to here. Okay, from 300 going back to here, no? Number 7. Okay, series, no? Connection. And number 8, connect to the neutral of the power supply, no? Number 8 of the synchronous motor generator. Then put this one to the minimum. Okay, switch it off first. Alright. Okay, so this is the full connection of this laboratory. So let us switch it on. Okay, so our current is very high. Alright, so make our exciter to the middle. Okay, and switch it on. Let's see. Oh, the current is very high as well. Okay. What we will do, put this one to 1.5. Okay, use 1.5 instead. So let's switch on. Alright, so now it's okay. Alright. Okay, so sorry. we forgot to connect a voltmeter. Alright? Voltmeter, no, from our power supply, no, to monitor the voltage. So connect this one to here, and this one also to here. Okay? And a power supply, no, for our watt meter. So watt meter will not gonna function without the connection of the power supply. Okay? So you need this one, no? This wire to connect the power. Like that. Alright. So let us try and observe. Okay. So look at here. Switch on the switch 1 here. Okay. This is your voltage. 415. This is your current. Okay. And this is your current from here, no? Alright. Okay, so this is the settings, no? So put this one in the minimum, switch it on, then adjust this voltage knob to make it 50 milliampere. Okay? And this is your current, no? I1. Okay? And this is your current I2. Now in I2, increase the exciter, no? Increase the exciter. Okay, increase the exciter to 0.1 to 0.15 to 0.2, no? In our case, we will do 50, 100, and 150. Okay, only 3 readings. It's okay. So now from here, no, this is 50 milliamp. Okay, get the power 1, power 2. Okay, get all the power 1, power 2. Okay, and get also the current. Okay, get also the current and get also the voltage. Okay, so let's measure. Okay, so this is your voltage input, 415 volts, and this is your current I2, 50 milliamp. Okay, and this is your current I1. Okay, that is 0.2 ampere. Okay, and this is your P1 and P2. Okay, now increase the exciter. Okay, increase the exciter and put it into 100 milliamp. Okay. Okay, now make sure this one, the P1 is negative, no? And the P2 is positive, okay? Because we put it the switch here, okay? Alright, so make this one 100. Increase. Make to 100 milliamp. Okay, that's it. So get the reading. So I change the exciter mode to 100 milliamp. Okay, 100 milliamp. Okay, and this is the voltage, and this is the current I1, 0.1, no, ampere, right? And it's this P1 and P2. All right. So now I will put this one to the maximum. Okay, now it's in the maximum position, and the current I2 is 120, no. 110 milliamp, and this is your voltage input, and this is your I1, and this is your power. All right, and that's it, no? So we don't want to increase more. We don't want to increase more because it might damage our motor. Okay, and that's it for the experiment number 7 of electrical machines. Okay, good luck, students.